Hi, I'm Melina and welcome to Expert Village. Today we're going to make a beautiful mushroom and butterfly incense burner out of polymer clay. This next step, we're going to create a little layer of grass that's going to go around the bottom of the mushroom. So we're going to take some green clay and we're going to roll it flat. I want to stretch it out and make sure that it's going to be the width of the stem, and you can kind of just eyeball it and it looks like it is going to be. We're going to take our poking device and we are going to cut the grass out of our slab. We are imitating nature somewhat, so nature isn't all the same. So the blades don't all have to be equal. And when you're done, you should have something that looks like this.